Steady.
Still don't want to come out. Unless that's not him that's holding it. I think they're behind it, you know.
I think so.
Yeah. That was easy.
Oh wow, that was easy. So we need to find 2 screws. They were lying around somewhere. I don't know where they've gone. There it is.
You found it?
Yeah, it's right there. Look. Oh, it's like hook a duck. Yay! It's a good job I remember where I dropped it. I thought, oh, that's not important. That can just stay there for every day, can't it? No. Please tell me it fits.
Yeah, of course it
What do we do? Don't drop the screws.
is. I know.
Awesome. Awesome. At least we got something done this weekend. Dashboard upgrade. Home entertainment. Watch TV while we eat.
I went up for that.
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
TV dinners.